Welcome back to my channel. This is my first time to do a challenge video, so welcome to my 500 pesos makeup challenge. Let's begin. Sad story, I have pimples. I will do first my eyeshadow. Brown shade for my crease. Just keep on blending. Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong colors yung gagawin ko. Basta video na lang ako. Napusuan ko tong light blue shade. I'm using the brush from Sleek Makeup at parang walang kulay tong eyeshadow. Hindi siya masyadong pigmented. Lagay lang ng lagay hanggang sa maging light blue talaga siya. Next is the dark blue shade. Ang saya kasi complete may light blue and dark blue. I'm using a different brush from Sleek Makeup again at nakita nyo tong brush na to from my Watson's haul. It's time for eyebrows. Mini brow pen in the shade light brown. Sobrang student-friendly makeups kasi diba 125 pesos may powder, eyebrow, and lipstick ka na agad. Careline Oil Control Liquid Makeup for my foundation, and I'm in the shade Almond. I like the smell of this liquid makeup and it's really easy to blend. And then back to my eyeshadows again. I'm using the brush from this palette. Next is the liquid eyeliner. Sobrang simpleng line lang yung gagawin ko. Fashion 21 pressed powder at walang nakalagay na shade. Oops, kitang-kita yung eyebags ko. Sorry. We'll use again the same palette for my blush on. Nice color, it looks natural. Oops, ang hirap buksan. Finally, after 2 minutes. For the last, Fashion 21 color lipstick in the shade number 13. I am done. Full makeup in less than 500 pesos.